Hello everyone, friends. Today we're going to get acquainted with the CMA30AB coolant replacement unit. We'll start with its components and functionality. Pressure gauges for monitoring pressure, inspection flasks, mode switch panel, valves, pressure regulator. Coarse filter in the coolant fill neck. Fine filter. The unit is powered by a 220V main supply. Power supply, fuse. The kit for this unit includes aluminum adapters. A nice bonus, 11 fine filters. One is already installed in the unit and 10 come in the kit. The unit's three main features. First, instant heating to operating temperature. Second, convenient navigation. Third, comfortable control. To effectively minimize the potential for fluid loss, we meticulously remove any excess fluid from the dedicated expansion tank, carefully from directly under the radiator cap, and then securely clamp the hose in place, ensuring a tight seal. We install the hose on the return line. This is an unmarked hose. The valve is open. Valve replacement. We turn on the fifth mode. We connect the hoses according to the markings. The red one is marked as supply, the unmarked one is return. The red supply hose is connected to the radiator, the return is connected to the pipe coming out of the engine head. More details on system flushing. We covered this in our video CMA30AB. You can check it out, you can watch it. Let me remind you once again that you should only use acid-free flushing fluids. The process itself is no different from replacing the coolant. And now we'll show you how it's done. We pour in distilled water to avoid airlocks. Even though the menu is intuitive, we have a reminder here about which positions the valves should be in for different modes. The controls are simple. Heating, flushing, coolant replacement, topping up, extraction. Next, we turn on the heater, set it to flush mode, and start the car. After the thermostat opens, we turn off the preheating and switch to flushing. Why do we turn off the preheating? Because in these two modes, the heating operates automatically. After the thermostat opens, we let it run for 3 to 5 minutes, then turn it in. Set it to replacement mode. Turn on the replacement mode. This is how the replacement is done. We make sure that the pressure doesn't rise, meaning the thermostat doesn't close. And at the moment when the flushing fluid matches in color, we turn off the equipment. Next, the car cools down. We restore the factory connection and then top up the antifreeze. We put the hoses back in place to add new coolant. We put the tube back on the supply line again. Replacement. Fourth mode, pump. It's essentially the same mode and process if we ever need to completely drain the new coolant from the unit. Draining the old coolant is just as simple. We connect it to the return hose, set it to drain the old fluid, replacement, fourth mode, and the pump. This is how the hardware replacement of coolant is performed using the CMA30AB unit. If you have any questions left, ask them in the comments and we will definitely answer.